Hello. Hello po, kuya.
Kuya Zion.
Wow, train. That's right.
Ito si Saisa.
Ano ba?
Ano pa?
1,
1, 2, 3. Amen. May.
Kuya Saisa. 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Asawa ni Marie.
Is that a car or a train?
Train. That's a train. And sugar. What's this?
Ano ba naman yan, Saisa?
Oh, that's a train.
Ang taas pa ng boses si Saisa.
Wiggle.
What's that? It's a magnet train. Oh, that is magnet train. Oh,
Naintindihan niya.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Hawakan ko, ha?
What are you doing?
What are you doing? Oh, yeah.
Ano? Pinag-combine niya yung yes tsaka no. Oh, nga.
Yeah.
Anak, hindi ganyan.
Bye.
Anak, hindi.
Hello.
Ayun na.
Oh my God.
Hello, kuya.
Hello.
What's in my coat? What's here?
That's good.
Oh, you made a train.
Wow!
Oh, yes. Oh, thank you.
Ano pa
In
niya?
the Philippines?
Wow!
On the Philippines daw.
In the Philippines? In the Philippines? Hello. Hello,
Say you're so
Tiny. You're so cute. Nag-sleep siya. She's sleeping. That's nice, kuya. That's nice.
What color is this daw?
That's green.
Ba? Eh, nangungulangot ka naman.
Tawa rin si Zion eh.
Tawa rin si Zion eh.
Ano patuti? Oh, siya.